weekly test I will send. Weekly test, Monday to Friday, at 100 per month. For more details WhatsApp. +91 89405 69789. Psychology 5 marks, Tamil 5 marks, English 5 marks, Maths 5 marks and EVs 5 marks. So totally 25 marks we will send. Practice and get more marks in CTET exam. Here are 5 difficult level MCQs for each subject in the CTET Paper 1 syllabus, based on the NCERT curriculum. ### Psychology, Child Development and Pedagogy. *1. Which of the following theories of cognitive development emphasizes the importance of culture and social interaction? A. Piaget's cognitive development theory. B. Vygotsky's sociocultural theory. C. Kohlberg's moral development theory. D. Erikson's psychosocial theory. Answer: B. Vygotsky's sociocultural theory. *2. The concept of scaffolding is closely related to which educational theorist? A. Skinner. B. Vygotsky. C. Bandura. D. Piaget. Answer: B. Vygotsky. *3. Which of the following is an example of a metacognitive strategy? A. Memorizing formulas. B. Understanding different perspectives. C. Planning how to approach a learning task. D. Solving a math problem. Answer: C. Planning how to approach a learning task. *4. In the context of Piaget's stages of cognitive development, decentration is a characteristic feature of which stage? A. Pre-operational stage. B. Formal operational stage. C. Concrete operational stage. D. Sensory-motor stage. Answer: C. Concrete operational stage. *5. According to Kohlberg, which level of moral development is characterized by adherence to social rules and laws to maintain social order? A. Pre-conventional level. B. Conventional level. C. Post-conventional level. D. Autonomous level. Answer: B. Conventional level. ### Tamil, language I. *1. Iruparan Selvam, Ennum Paul Yatu. A. Kalvi Maram Kalai. B. Aram Maram Paul. C. Paul Maram Inpam. D. Inpam Maram Valvu. Answer: B. Aram Maram Paul. Kalamekap Pulavarin Sirappu Enna. A. Naiti Kurita Patalkal. B. Tanalamara Anpu. C. Sittirak Kavitaikal. D. Kamatiyamana Varikal. Answer: C. Sittirak Kavitaikal. *3. Arasiyal Vettiyam, Enpatan Paul Enna. A. Vilayettu. B. Arasiyal Arivuraikal. C. Kalvi. D. Akai. Answer: B. Arasiyal Arivuraikal. *4. Tirukkural, Enter Vakilana Ilakiyamaka Karutappattukiratu. A. Kanka Ilakiyam. B. Patti Ilakiyam. C. Muppal Ilakiyam. D. Patalkalai Kurita Ilakiyam. Answer: C. Muppal Ilakiyam. *5. Tamilil, Kavi, Anrakol Etu Kurikam. A. Siranta Kopalivu. B. Anachikaramana Patal. C. Takalikamana Pattu. D. Arinar. Answer: B. Anachikaramana Patal. ### English, language 2. *1. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of language acquisition during the critical period? A. Grammar mastery. B. Fast vocabulary development. C. Learning complex sentences. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. *2. Identify the correct statement regarding code switching. A. It is only used by bilingual speakers. B. It is switching between two different languages. C. It involves changing between dialects within the same language. D. Both B and C. Answer: D. Both B and C. *3. Which method focuses on teaching English through listening and speaking first, before reading and writing? A. direct method. B. Grammar translation method. C. Audiolingual method. D. Communicative approach. Answer. A. Direct method. Asterisk 4. What is the main feature of extensive reading in language learning? A. Reading only for language structures. B. Reading for pleasure and general comprehension. C. Reading only academic texts. D. Reading for grammatical analysis. Answer. B. Reading for pleasure and general comprehension. Asterisk 5. Which is an example of morphological awareness in English? A. Recognizing prefixes and suffixes. B. Understanding complex sentence structures. C. Phonetic transcription. D. Reading fluently without pauses. Answer. A. Recognizing prefixes and suffixes. ### Mathematics. Asterisk 1. A square is inscribed in a circle. If the side of the square is 10 centimeters, what is the radius of the circle? A. 5 centimeters. B. 7.07 cm. C. 10 centimeters. D. 14 centimeters. Answer. B. 7.07 cm. Asterisk 2. The sum of the angles in a polygon with n sides is given by which formula? A. n2 times 180 degrees. B. n times 180 degrees. C. n plus 2 times 180 degrees. D. n1 times 90 degrees. Answer. A. n2 times 180 degrees. Asterisk 3. If a and b are the roots of the quadratic equation x squared 5x plus 6 equals 0, then what is the value of a cubed plus b cubed? A. 35. B. 33. C. 29. D. 31. Answer. D. 31. Asterisk 4. In how many different ways can the letters of the word algebra be arranged? A. 2520. B. 5040. C. 1260. D. 3024. Answer. C. 1260. Asterisk 5. If 12 men can do a piece of work in 15 days, how many days will it take for 20 men to do the same work? A. 8 days. B. 9 days. C. 7 days. D. 10 days. Answer. A. 9 days. ### Environmental Studies, EVS. Asterisk 1. What is the main reason for deforestation in India? A. Urbanization. B. Global warming. C. Industrialization. D. Agricultural expansion. Answer. D. Agricultural expansion. Asterisk 2. Which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? A. Solar energy. B. Wind energy. C. Geothermal energy. D. Fossil fuels. Answer. D. Fossil fuels. Asterisk 3. Which of the following is not a major cause of air pollution? A. Burning of fossil fuels. B. Photosynthesis in plants. C. Industrial emissions. D. Vehicle exhaust. Answer. B. Photosynthesis in plants. Asterisk 4. What is the significance of biodiversity hotspots? A. Areas with low biodiversity. B. Areas with high species diversity and endemism. C. Places with a high level of pollution. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Areas with high species diversity and endemism. Asterisk 5. Which of the following diseases is caused by a deficiency of vitamin C? A. Rickets. B. Scurvy. C. Beriberi. D. Pellagra. Answer. B. Scurvy.